is your 1-minute yoga teacher training class. This tip is literally the thing that has made me the most money and kept me the most clients over the last 20 years. At the end of every single class, you need to let your clients know that they had a great class. If you don't believe in it, then they won't believe it. And it's really as simple as just giving them that suggestion. At the end of our class, we've brought everyone back up to seated in Sukhasana, easy seated pose. They have their hands in Anjali Mudra. They are completely freaking blissed out because you gave them an incredible yoga class. And you're up there at the front of the class, you're facing everyone, you're super chill, you're grateful that they're there, and you let them know that this is exactly how I end every single class. Thank you so much for coming to class today. This has been a beautiful, amazing class. I am so proud of you for getting out of your house and coming here today and taking this class with me. You had the choice to stay home, but instead you came here and you made the time to put the effort in to love yourself. Thank you so much for coming. I cannot wait to see you again for another great class. The light within me honors the divine and beautiful light within each and every one of you. Namaste. Thank you so much. Light up that follow button because this has been a really great video and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. You see what I just did there?